Okay, hello students. This is Mr. Abinet. So we are going to revise some topics from grade 11. As you know, grade 11 physics has 8 units. So the first unit is about physics and practical work. So in this unit, we have seen different concepts of physics. We have seen what we call the scientific method, the series of steps that we use to investigate scientifically. And we have also seen about uncertainties, significant figures, and finally, we have also seen about errors, okay? So, starting from scientific method, we have said that scientific methods are a series of steps that one should follow in a scientific investigation. So, everything starts with observation. So, from observation, we have through a question. From question, we have to do some kind of background research. Then we have to draw our hypothesis. Then from the hypothesis, we have to design our experiment to prove or disprove our hypothesis. Then we have to collect data. Then from the collected data, we come up with some kind of conclusion. Okay. So uncertainty is the amount of doubt in a measurement. You know that every measurement is subjected to some kind of uncertainty. So there are two types of uncertainties. There is absolute uncertainty and percentage uncertainty. The two kinds of uncertainties are related by this mathematical expression. Percentage uncertainty is equal to absolute uncertainty divided by the measured value multiplied by 100%. Okay. So in adding or in mathematical operating with numbers that have uncertainties, there are certain rules that we need to follow. The first one is when we are using numbers with uncertainties, in addition and subtraction, all we have to do is we add the absolute uncertainties of the numbers. But when it's multiplication or division, we should add the percentage uncertainties, okay? The percentage uncertainties. So the other thing that we need to know in this chapter is about significant figures. Significant figures are the numbers that we use in recording an experiment. So there are different rules that we use to determine the number of significant figures in a measurement. The first one is that all non-zero numbers are considered as significant. Leading zeros are considered to be not significant. For example, in this number 0.002, these two numbers are called, these two zeros are called leading zeros. So these are not considered as significant. So in this number, in this measured number, we have only one significant figure. Okay? Captive zeros are zeros which are found between two non-zero numbers. For example, 4005. These are called captive zeros. So captive zeros are considered as significant. Okay? So this number has 1, 2, 3, 4 significant numbers. Okay? So the other one is about trailing zeros. Trailing zeros are zeros that come after a number. So these zeros are considered as significant only if the number consists of a decimal point, okay? For example, as you can see, we have here 200. There is no significant digit, point or decimal point. So as a result, this number has only one significant figure. But as you can see, we have also here two zeros, but there is here there is a decimal point. So this number consists of 3 significant digits, okay? So in adding and subtracting numbers with different significant figures, we only consider the lowest decimal place. So the result should be written in the lowest decimal place of the two added numbers. But in multiplication and division, we consider the fewest significant digit, okay? The result should be reported with the fewest significant figure. All right. So when we come to errors is simply the difference between measured value and true value, okay? So errors can be classified into two. There are some errors which we call systematic errors, and there are some errors which we call random errors, okay? Basically, systematic errors affect the accuracy of our measurement, and random errors affect the precision of our measurement. As you know, accuracy is how close our measured value is to the true value, but precision is how our measurements, different number of measurements are precise with each other, okay? So this is basically all about Unit 1. So basically in your national exam, we expect questions from significant figures, okay, how to add them and how to determine whether the number of significant figures in a reading, and how to operate with significant figures. So you may find some questions also related to uncertainties. I hope you find this useful. So until the next episode, see ya.